The Camco Rhino Tote Tank 36-gallon model offers generous capacity for extended camping stays, so you are not constantly running to the dump station. Its rugged, ultraviolet stabilized construction and thick blow-molded body feel built to handle years of towing over rough campground surfaces without cracking or leaking. Large, never-flat wheels and a comfortable handle make it surprisingly easy to maneuver, even when the tank is full, whether you are pulling it by hand or using the steel toe adapter. The integrated gate valve, smooth interior, and dedicated rinser connection make emptying and cleaning straightforward, reducing odors and residue compared with simpler portable tanks. Thoughtful touches like the ladder hook, molded tie-down grooves, and compressible sewer hose make storage on the back of a camper neat and secure between trips. The included hoses, clear fittings, and storage caps give you a nearly complete waste transfer setup out of the box, so you can use the tank immediately without hunting for extra parts.